Good morning everyone. This is Devi from Little Hearts Publications and I am going to continue the class 3rd Science 4th lesson, Birds, Their Beaks and Claws. In the previous class we have discussed till strong, hard and heavy beaks, and now we are going to discuss about broad, long and pointed beaks. Yes. So this broad, long and pointed beaks are helpful for some birds to pick their food. Okay. So what is best example for this? Kingfisher. Okay. Kingfisher. So what is food of this kingfisher? Fish. So this broad and long pointed beak helps this kingfisher to hunt or to catch the fish from the water which is floating or swimming in the water. So this helps the bird to collect the fish from the water, and not only from like rivers, flowing water, ponds, etc. Okay, and the next one is beak with a pouch. Beak with a pouch. So what is a pouch? You already know. You keep some pens, something, you can hold something in that, isn't it? So this kind of pouch is helpful in collecting its food, to store some food, or to, what do we say, to scoop up like this. Okay. So which bird helps has this kind of a beak is pelicans. Pelican. Okay, you can look into your textbook, page number 38, children. So this is a beak of a bird and it has some pouch like this. Okay, it has some pouch like this which helps, okay, which helps this bird to scoop the fish like this from the water. Okay, these kind of beaks are present for the water birds. Okay, yes, and here there is a skin layer which is attached to its beak to collect the fish in this pouch. Yes, next one is long and strong beak. Long and strong beak. So which birds have this long and strong beaks? So toucans. Toucans are best example of this kind of beak. So they have this long and strong beak, okay, which are good at pushing the leaves away and collecting the fruits and nuts. Okay, picking fruits and nuts. So this is very long and strong. So it is this kind like this. Okay, it is this kind like this. Okay, it has some lines over. It is very strong and long. Yes, and next we are going to long, thin and pointed beak. Long, thin and pointed beak. So which birds have this kind of beak? Sunbird. Okay, best example is sunbird. Okay, this bird has a long, thin and pointed beak. So this helps to suck the nectar from the flowers. What is its food? Nectar. Nectar from the flowers. So See, look at this beak. It's very sharp, small and thin. Okay. So it is like a straw like in that way, so that it can suck the nectar. Next we are going to study about feet and claws of birds. So, do birds have feet like us? No. Yes. So, it has some feet like this. Yes, and somewhere else here one back feet, one back. So these are claws. The feet has claws. Okay. So first, what are the different types of claws or feet of the birds we will discuss now. So why do different birds have different kinds of claws? As they have different kinds of food habits. Okay. These claws suit their food habits. Suit their food habits means they are helpful to collect the food habits, food of different kinds of birds. So first we are going to learn about climbing birds. So based on these claws and feet of the birds, there are different kinds. First one is climbing birds. So what are climbing birds? For example, parrots. Okay, parrots and woodpeckers. Parrots and woodpeckers are climbing birds. Okay, these birds will perch. Perch. What is meaning of perch? They hang or hold on the branches and they jump. Okay. Yes. They see, for example, if this is a branch of a tree, these birds sit here. How do they sit here? Here. They hold on to this. They hold on to these branches, and when they move from here to here, they jump from one place to another place. So the method in which how they hold on and stand on the tree branches or sticks is known as perching. So these kind of birds are called as perching and climbing birds. Okay, they cling to the trees with the feet and pick up the fruits with the other. Yes. Next we are going to learn about flesh eating birds. Okay. What are flesh eating birds? For example, eagle, vultures and other animals. Okay, other birds, they have sharp claws. Okay, sharp claws which help them to hold on their prey. Okay, hold prey, and they are very strong. Okay, the sharp and strong claws are known as talons. They are known as talons. As they are flesh eating birds, they hold these small animals like, for example, rats, small chicks, snakes and these all. Okay, these talons help them to catch their prey easily. Yes. And next one we are going to learn about scratching birds. Okay. What is the meaning of scratching? You know, you scratch when something bit on your hands. Yes. So which birds do this? The birds which stay on the land. Okay. They build their nest on the land. Nest means they dig something and put their eggs on that and cover it. Okay. So examples are hen, peacock. Okay, these are examples of the scratching birds. Yes. So these have sharp claws. The sharp claws which are very hard. Okay, these help them to scratch the mud and then with their front claws for digging the soil. For digging soil. Okay. So in this way they help them. And why do they dig the soil? These claws are useful according to their or related to their food habits, right? So they dig the soil to search seeds or small insects. Seeds or insects which are present in the soil, and they pick them and they eat them. So this help them to collect their food itself, isn't it? Yes. And next one is perching birds. Yes. So what are perching birds? Okay, perching birds, for example, crow and sparrow. Crow and sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird and crow is also a normal sized bird, and these two birds are example for perching birds. So what is meaning of perching? Perch and hop. I already told you, right? These birds stay on the tree branches to hold on to the branches, okay, with their three front legs, front claws. So most of all the birds have 3 front toes, front claws, and 1 back one. Okay, all the birds have this kind of a feet. And this also help them to hop on the branches. Yes. And these perching birds means they perch on the branches, and they also help them to sleep on the branches while perching with the help of perching. Yes. And the next one is, you can see the picture in page number 40 in your textbook. Look here, this one, see how the bird is perching here, crow, and this is a sparrow. Okay, they sit in this way and they hop from one place to another place. Yes, and next one is wading birds. Okay, wading. Okay, what is meaning of wading? These birds walk in the water. It's very hard for them to walk in the water, but these birds means they can't swim as they have long and thin tall legs. These birds wade in the water. They have this front toes this way and one back leg like this. Okay, and these help them to wade in when they are near the water bodies or surrounding the water bodies or in the water bodies for collecting their food. Collecting their food, yes. And they have sharp beaks also. Okay, such toes help them so that their legs will not sink in the water. Okay, the legs will not sink in the water. This helps them to walk properly in the water. And next one is swimming birds. Swimming birds. So only some selected birds will swim in water, and they have different kinds of legs or feet. So their feet are in this way, so that the skin is attached with this claw or feet. So this kind of feet are known as webbed feet. Webbed feet. So this webbed feet help them to swim in the water. Okay, and these birds have short legs, not too long as crane and other birds. They have short legs. This helps them to swim in water. You can see in the picture, page number 43 from your textbook. See how they swim in the water. They push the water back and move front with the help of these legs. Okay, and some more examples are this duck, okay, geese, and also this pelicans and gulls. These are example of some birds which have webbed feet and swim in water. So with this we completed the lesson, and you have some exercises which are given in your textbook, page number 42 and 43, 44 also, and you have one more exercise to see yourself in page number 45. This worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.